Technology is interesting. We used this camera in the 90s, no big deal. But if I was to use it today, I'd look like a total creep. Ryan here for Silly Reviews. I've got an interesting product here. This is an RCA camcorder. It's got the big 24x zoom plus. It's got a color viewfinder. Okay, color viewfinder. Okay, buttons. It has a lot of buttons on here. A lot of buttons. You can switch it. Camera off. VCR. So you can use this as a VCR. Play back those tapes. Play back those memories. Play button. Fast forward. Rewind. Stop. Eject. It's got all the buttons you need. Come down here. It's got autofocus or manual focus. You can fade. You can do an instant zoom. Even has digital zoom. That's bananas. This one here has a shoulder strap. Looks like this hand part right here is broken. Flip it around. Got the logo, RCA, camcorder, VHS, faux leather hand strap, give you that comfort grip. That's how you would zoom. You do your zooming. I don't know what that red button would do. Would that start and stop? Not really sure. On the front, it's got a lens cap over the lens. On the bottom, tripod mount. On the back, that's where you'd either plug in your external power source or take it to go with a battery. I'm sure those batteries lasted a long time. There is a tape in here, but I can't get to it because I cannot get a power source to work for this, but there are screws all over the place. Try to take it apart. Let's find out what's in there. This was my dad's camcorder, but this is one from way back when I played middle school or high school sports. So who knows? Could be content of old Ryan on there. Could be stuff that I really don't want to see. But anyway, how far we've come with technology in such a relatively short period of time. The model number on this daddy is the RCA camcorder CC850. CC850. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. You have something to say about this? You have any thoughts? Leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, smash that like button. You gotta smash it, people. But I'm gonna go ahead and smash this thing if I need to. First, I'll try a screwdriver. Try to go ahead and just pop the top. See if I can't get the tape out. Okay, signing off. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye-bye.